Narrated by Ibn Abbas radiallahu anha, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I was shown the hellfire and that the majority of its dwellers were women who were ungrateful. It was asked, do they disbelieve in Allah or they are ungrateful to Allah? He replied, they are ungrateful to their husbands and are ungrateful for the favors and the good charitable deeds done to them. If you have always been good, benevolent to one of them, and then she sees something in you not of her liking, she will say, I have never received any good from you. So, my dear sisters, always be grateful to your husbands, because the majority of the women who will be in the hellfire will be the women who are ungrateful to their husbands. Respect your husbands, love them, and be grateful to them for the sake of Allah. May Allah help my Muslim sisters to understand this. May Allah grant all of us hidayah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.